This is the complete guide of how to become a Montessori teacher in the UK. So let's understand first what is Montessori. The Montessori teacher observes and responds to individual children, helping them to learn by doing things for themselves. Do students come from outside the UK for this course? Yes. Students come from all over the world and the fees is the same for everyone. Student visas will be arranged for international students. Which visa do I need? So if you're coming for AMI Diploma 3 to 6, you will apply for a student visa. If you're coming for AMI Diploma 3 to 6, 2 years evening course, it's only for UK nationals. And anyone in the UK, they can do that. Foundation degree in Montessori, that's open only for UK nationals or those with the visa or immigration permission for studying full-time in the UK. So for example, if you have a different study visa, you can do that course. If you're coming for AMI Diploma 0 to 3, that's 2 summers, modular format. So you will have 2 modules and you will apply for standard visitor visa, which will be valid for 6 months. Last one is AMI Diploma 612 and it's a blended format, and for that also you will apply for student visitor visa. So if you're applying for the AMI Diploma 3 to 6, that's a student visa and you will get a caste letter as well. Further, I'll show you in my video how it works as well. So fees for AMI Diploma 3 to 6. So this is the latest and updated fees for 2024. AMI Diploma 3 to 6. Early bird fees is £9,700. But if you wanted to pay installment, in that case you will pay 12,300. So you will pay 11,700. That will be your discounted price. But if you're paying for the standard course fees, that's 12,300. So you will have 3 options. 1, 9,700 if you pay early, or discounted course fee paid in one installment, that's 11,700. So you will get a discount on that. It's £600 discount because standard course fees is 12,300. So the first installment 4,800 you will pay, then 3,300, then 2,300, and last installment 1,900. Please note, international students who need student visa to study in the UK are required to pay course fees in one installment, early bird course discounted fees. So in that case, you have to pay 9,700. Payment due dates. So early bird fees is 30th of April 2024, and it's for Montessori Diploma 3 to 6 1-year course. And if you want to do 2-year course, then these are the dates for that. Now let's discuss Montessori Diploma 0 to 3. The payment due date is 31st of March 2024. The early bird fees is 8,400. Obviously, if you have missed this session, you can come in another session. And if you pay same way, a discounted paid in one installment, that's 9,600. Or the standard fees is 10,200. It's the same fees for UK nationals or anyone coming from outside the UK. It's same fees for everyone. Now let's discuss how to register. Next course is likely to start in 2025. Register your interest in this course. You can apply to take AMI Diploma 0 to 3 or 3 to 6. So let me show you on the website how it works. To register this, you go on mariamontessori.org website and it will show up like this. You will go in teacher training session and over here you have the option AMI Diploma 3-6, degree route, AMI Diploma 0 to 3, AMI Diploma 6 to 12. So let's discuss the first one, AMI Diploma, Montessori Diploma 3 to 6. You will click over here and that's how you will apply. Further, I will show you in my video what are the requirements and what do you need, and when you can also see on this website that 1-year course intensive, that's 5 days a week, 2 years day, so that's up to 3 days a week, and 2 years evening, that's 3 evenings a week and 4 Saturdays per year. Montessori Diploma 0 to 3, that's for infant guide, and if you wanted to do that, you will click over here, apply for AMI Diploma 0 to 3. Degree in Montessori, AMI 3 to 6. This is the one where you need a caste letter. So you will click over here, apply via caste now, and this is how you will get the student visa for this. In this guide, I will discuss further how will you apply this as well. So this website will explain you more detail if you want, and this also explains you who can take this course. You must be at least 18 years old or eligible to study in the UK. We generally require 72 UCAS points. English language requirement, you need IELTS 5.5 minimum. We will interview all our applicants usually by telephone or by Skype or similar service. Now let's discuss what Montessori careers are there. As a trained Montessori teacher, you can work in an early year setting, nursery or Montessori school. You could progress to become a nursery manager or head of school. You could even go on to set up your own Montessori school. So for everything you need this course. You need the AMI certification. What other Montessori careers are there? Apart from the classroom career, you can have the career for child development research, special needs support, psychological and counseling, sports education and coaching, humanitarian education initiatives, Montessori teacher training. Association Montessori Initial AMI qualifications are internationally recognized, so you could go and work anywhere in the world. Now let's discuss the vacancies, the job openings we have. Are the job prospects. So Montessori teachers, especially those with the AMI diploma, are in high demand and can work all over the world. 90% of the graduates are job within 3 months or less. How much you can earn? So starting salaries by location, it's around £30,000 for a qualified teacher. Managers and experience get so there are teachers who are getting up to £60,000 and they are in this career. What qualifications do you need? To be a Montessori teacher, study for the Association Montessori Initial AMI Diploma for children 3 to 6 years. Study over 1 or 2 years. This qualification is recognized all around the world. We also offer AMI Diploma for children 0 to 3 and children 6 to 12. So it's up to you which qualification you wanted to do. If you don't have a degree, in that case, you could study for our foundation degree in Montessori, AMI 3 to 6, which includes the AMI Diploma 3 to 6. You will qualify as a Montessori teacher within 2 years. So if you wanted to make a career, you can start from early age as well, and you can get into this. What can I do with this qualification? Teach in Montessori schools anywhere in the world because you have a diploma. Set up your own Montessori or use your qualification for social work, or you can use it for your own parenting. When and where can I study? Courses start every September at Training Central in London. 1 year day, so that's 5 days a week. 2 years day, that's up to 3 days a week. 2 years evening, 3 evenings a week and 4 Saturdays per year. How will I study? So you will have lectures, you will have practice with Montessori material and independent reading and study, which you can do yourself. What you will learn about Montessori approach children between age 3 to 6, Montessori education theory, prepare Montessori resources in school, Montessori approach to language, literacy, mathematics, professional knowledge, all these things you will learn in this course. What could I do with my 0 to 3 diploma, Montessori infant guide qualification? Work in Montessori infant communities anywhere in the world. Set up your own Montessori. Use your qualification for social work. So either you do the pre or you do the infant guide diploma. It's all the same. You can work anywhere in the world, and there are loads of programs as well. So there is a groundbreaking parent infant program such as Born Inside program, which support mothers in prison. You can work for them as well. When and where can I study? So the next course start 22nd July 2024. It runs 1 6-week and 1 7-week summer module in 2024 and 2025 at the Maria Montessori Training Central, London. Plus additional courses learned online as well. What will I need to do to gain the qualification? You need 100 hours of child observation, 160 hours of practical session, 120 hours of teaching practice, submission of written assignment and albums material, written and oral examinations as well. 90% of your attendance is must. If you have any questions regarding how to become a Montessori teacher, feel free to ask in the comment section. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or WhatsApp. I'll put all the links in the description. Feel free to check them out.